Wednesday we like to do. We like to go through the refrigerator and the cabinets and create a tasty meal just for you. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so let's go through our cabinets and see what we got for this week. Budget Wednesday. Cabinets of Dre. Cabinets. What we have up here? We have a good amount of stuff. But not this week again. Let's go into our fridge, see what we got for our refrigerator. Oh, someone went shopping. This thing is a lot of stuff. You know what? I see eggs off the rip. So let's try that bad boy. I think I know what I want this week on budget. Oh, Jamaican cheese. If you never had this before, yo, you know what y'all miss, man. We ain't gonna make that though. I'm just showing you, you know what I mean? What we got in magic box here, empty. What is going on? Let's see down here. Oh, we got peppers down here. Why is it not in the magic box? Okay, so we got some bell peppers. All right, what else we got? We got some scallion. All right, we got some carrots. Oh, okay, eggs and carrots. That might be something. What else do we have here? Oh, we got some cabbage. We do some cabbage on this on that. Let me get the other cabbage. Let me get that. All right, I think that is quite it, my good lad. Let me see. Nothing else I want in here. Nothing else. Oh, I got some vegan cheese. Oh yeah, some vegan cheese. Oh yeah, vegan cheese. All right, people. So that's for the refrigerator for now. Let's take a walk over here and see what we got up top of our magic stash. Listen, let me tell y'all, people, if you ain't got plantains in your house, I don't know what you're doing with your life. You know what I mean? You got to have plantains. If you don't got that, I can't help you. So I got some plantains, got some onions. All right. Yeah, this is it. This is what we got for this week, Budget Wednesday. That's all we're on a budget this week. You understand? We're about to save some money right now, you know what I mean? Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Let me tell you, I don't know what I'm going to make, but I'm going to put something together with this. I could do something. All right, I could do something. Stay tuned. All right, everybody. So after taking a look at all of my ingredients and decided to add a few extra, I decided to go with something different. A plantain quiche. Yes, people, I said it. A plantain quiche. Now, what's great about this meal? This meal is going to be under $5. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Maybe about like $6 and change. Because what? You could go to the store right now, right? If you're down in Florida, you go to Publix. Get about 5 of these plantains right here for $2. 5 plantains for $2. Cabbage, you generally catch cabbage for like 75 cents, depending on the store you go to. Then of course carrots, bag of carrots can get you like $1 something. Okay, well the vegan cheese is a little bit more expensive, but take out minus the vegan cheese, right? Keep it with some peppers, some onions, some mushroom, and of course some eggs. You could go to Trader Joe's, get some eggs, get some white eggs for $1.99 or $1.49, or you can get the brown egg for $2. It's up to you, and that meal is still under $10. And then of course if you want to add the vegan cheese, that's gonna make your meal a little bit more, about $11, but it's okay because I'm a vegan cheese lover. Anyways, people, let's stay tuned. Let's get this thing popping. Woo! Alright guys, the first thing we want to do is we want to preheat our oven to 375. our finished meal is upon us. Woo! Plantain quiche, people. Like I'm telling you, man, this amount of stuff you can be creative in the kitchen with. And I'm about to tear this up. You know, guys, it took me about like 15 minutes to make this meal. Easy, really quick recipe. Impress your friends. Under budget. Remember I tell you guys, this meal literally only took me $10 to make. Well, the cheese is a little bit extra because, you know, vegan cheese is a little bit extra. But take out the vegan cheese and just use the regular eggs. Under $10 to make this meal. And I can't wait to sample it. Woo! All right, people. Enough of the long talking. Let's try this bad boy. Let's look at that. Look at that crust right there. Look at that crust, that plantain crust. Yo, 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 yeah. Sweet, spice, not spicy because it's like a little bit of the cayenne pepper in the background, but not too crazy. A little bit of salt, not too crazy, and Malaya salt, perfect. Listen, this is the perfect blend right here with that vegan cheese. Not gonna lie to you, people. You have to try a recipe here. But if you're a vegetarian, this is the meal for you. Remember, no meat in this one. This is one that tough, my youth. Listen, follow, like, subscribe, and share. Send a comment if you want this recipe to be send it to you. I'll give you this one. I'm gonna give you this one because this one's so good. I'm gonna give you this one so you can try it. All right, but don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and share. I'm about to get up out of here because this bad boy is calling my name. Look at that. Look at that right there. This bad boy is calling my name. I'm about to tear this up. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. Follow, like, subscribe, and share. Let me say it one more time again because I probably said it like 10 times. Follow, like, and subscribe, and share. Woo! People, I'm out. Peace.